If you find yourself going through your story views every single time you post to check if that one guy or three guys or five guys, no judgment, viewed your story. Just know one thing, that it's not your fault. Not that you haven't moved on, or it's not that you want him back, or it's not even that you miss him. No. You just miss the feeling of excitement that situationship gave you. You miss that thrill or novelty in your life. Means the real issue has nothing to do with that piece of shit of a person. Because let's be honest, you deserve better. You know you deserve better. And you know that you can even do better. Look at you. You are smart, your body is tea, you have a lethal face card. You're so emotionally mature and intelligent, and you're so hardworking. So, do you really think God blessed you this much just so that you could go back to Him? No, absolutely not. So, checking if they have viewed your story yet is just a habit. It's a bad habit that we're slowly gonna break. But in the meantime, your focus needs to come back to where it actually matters, which is to yourself. To yourself, your family, your dreams, your goals, your career, and most importantly, to actually enjoying life. Because you only live once. Us ambitious girls are always in go mode, that we're always looking for the next thing. We confuse external validation for love. We set impossibly high standards for ourselves, and every single time we hit a goal, we just move the goalpost. Never take the time to actually celebrate how far we have come. Because if you actually think about it, you must have accomplished at least one of your childhood dreams by now. What happens? We run back to the easiest source of excitement, checking who views our stories, because it feels like a tiny shot of validation. But what we really need is to actually slow down and live in the real world again. We need to get off our phones and actually start living. And it will require patience, a lot of it. It will require time, but I assure you, it is definitely worth it. Start bringing little joys back into daily routine. Romanticize your day, even on a budget. You can ask ChatGPT. Chat will give you a ton of ideas how to do that. Ideas that do not require a man. Do things that actually make you feel like the main character. Because remember, you, you are a baddie. You don't chase, you simply attract. And whatever's meant for you will find you.